Welcome to the demonstration of the lookup feature on the Chart Mapper. My name is Chris Bronston. Today we'll be going over how to navigate through the lookup feature on the Chart Mapper. I will be covering four different things. First of all, I will show you how to navigate to that lookup feature. Secondarily, I will show you how to look up by an FAU. Thirdly, I will show you how to look up by the COA or the CCOA. And then finally, I will show you how to export the lookup results to Excel so you can work with the results in Excel. Starting out with the beginning, you'll see my home page here, and this looks probably a little bit different than it will for many of you because I have an administrator access and most of the folks across UCLA have the mapping expert. Nonetheless, we all have this same feature up at the top called lookup. And this is how you're going to use the Chart Mapper into the future to look up FAUs and COAs and see the crosswalk for future reference as we go live into Oracle. So you click on that feature and it will download all of the FAUs that have been mapped to the COA. Currently, that's 2.6 million, as you can see here. Every end user will have access to all mapped FAUs. This number will go up as we approach go live, as we continue to create or newly use FAUs up until the go live of our Oracle R2 Bruin Finance implementation. I will now demonstrate how you can look up based on the FAU. So in the upper left corner of this, you can see there's the FAU, there's the COA, and there's the CCOA. So if I am someone that knows my FAU and I want to look up something specific on my FAU, I click on this tab and I can put in any combination of values from the FAU that I want. So in this case, I'm going to put in Department 1400. So if my use case is I want to see all COA values that Department 1400 uses, I can just put in 1400, hit enter, and it will yield my results. And you can see down at the bottom, there's 13,000 different results here. So likely I'm going to want to put in some more FAU criteria to limit down what I'm looking at. So to show you that you can put in more criteria, I'll put in fund number 20226. So if I wanted to see every COA combination for Department 1400 on only fund, FAU fund 20226, I would put both of those in, hit enter, and then it would yield my results. And as you can see, that's about 1,800 FAUs. So you can limit this down even further by putting in more elements of the FAU. You can also look up by the COA. So if you were in Bruin Finance in Oracle after go live and you said, hey, I'm using this, I see this financial unit, and I'll give you the number in a minute, and I want to see every FAUs that's connected to that. And I'm going to use financial unit 1000000. So one with 6 zeros after it. And you can see that financial unit, all the FAUs that are associated with that. Okay. One other feature that I want to show you is in this dropdown, it lists the FAU values, then the COA values, and then next you'll see the CCOA values. So most end users on campus are not as concerned with the CCOA values. For those of you who work in the central finance areas and are responsible or involved in reporting to the Office of the President, you will be most interested in the CCOA values. So those are on the far right. The other elements of the COA are next to that, to the left. And then finally, you will see the FAU to the far left. In the final part of the demonstration, I want to show you how you can export this to Excel. Many of us that work in finance love working in Excel. So this is a really nice feature where you just click this Excel icon and you download it here. And you now have the file in Excel. Thank you for attending this demonstration.